In the Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe, the EPIC owner is a critical role within the lean portfolio management function, responsible for managing high-impact initiatives called EPICs. EPICs represent strategic investments and often involve complex cross-functional work that spans multiple agile release trains and can take several program increments to complete. The EPIC owner's responsibilities extend across the entire EPIC lifecycle, from identifying strategic opportunities to ensuring value delivery through rigorous oversight, alignment, and collaboration. This role bridges the gap between strategic goals and tactical execution, driving outcomes that align with organizational vision while remaining flexible to changing market and business needs. Detailed responsibilities of an EPIC owner. The EPIC owner's journey begins with understanding the organization's overarching goals and identifying potential EPICs that can drive significant value or transformation. This responsibility requires a deep understanding of both the market landscape and internal business needs. Working closely with executives, the EPIC owner identifies high-value opportunities or areas of improvement, such as a new product line, an expansion of existing services, or internal process optimizations. Once a potential EPIC is identified, the EPIC owner crafts a detailed hypothesis statement which serves as a strategic blueprint for the EPIC. This statement defines the problem, opportunity, or expected outcome, includes a proposed solution, and outlines high-level metrics for success. By articulating the EPIC's hypothesis clearly, the EPIC owner ensures alignment among stakeholders and sets a strategic foundation for subsequent stages. To justify the investment in an EPIC, the EPIC owner develops a comprehensive business case. This document serves as both a justification for resource allocation and a plan for value realization. The business case includes financial analysis, such as cost-benefit estimates, potential revenue impact, and projected return on investment. It also addresses potential risks, resource requirements, and timeframes. EPIC owners often collaborate with finance and strategy teams to validate the business case and align it with portfolio objectives. By presenting a clear value proposition, the business case helps the lean portfolio management team prioritize EPICs effectively. This stage often requires iterative discussions, adjustments to forecasts, and sometimes challenging trade-offs to balance ambition with feasibility. Once approved, the EPIC owner is responsible for guiding the EPIC through SAFe's Portfolio Kanban system, a visual workflow tool used to track EPICs from idea to completion. In each stage of the Kanban, from funnel to implementation, the EPIC owner works closely with other roles, including product managers, solution managers, and system architects, to refine requirements, validate assumptions, and continuously assess feasibility. The Kanban stages help filter and prioritize EPICs so that only those that are strategically aligned, financially viable, and technically feasible advance to implementation. During the Kanban review and analysis phases, EPIC owners gather feedback, refine the EPIC scope, and make adjustments based on new insights. This system helps the organization avoid committing resources to unvalidated ideas and maintains a clear path toward delivery. Once an EPIC reaches the implementation stage, the EPIC owner collaborates with agile release trains to break down the EPIC into features and user stories that can be incrementally developed within program increments. This decomposition process involves detailed coordination to ensure that features align with program increment objectives and program backlog priorities. During program increment planning, the EPIC owner works with product managers, system architects, and release train engineers to communicate the EPIC's vision, expected outcomes, and prioritized features. They also help clarify dependencies, resource requirements, and potential risks to agile release trains, enabling teams to make informed decisions about delivery timelines. Epic owners may participate in multiple Agile release trains program increment planning sessions if the Epic spans multiple Agile release trains or requires significant cross-functional work, helping facilitate alignment across the entire value stream. Once the work is underway, the Epic owner continuously monitors the Epic's progress to ensure that it remains on track to deliver the intended value. Using metrics and key performance indicators established in the business case, the Epic owner evaluates outcomes at each program increment boundary, working with Agile release trains to assess progress against the hypothesis statement and adjust the Epic scope or prioritization as necessary. This role involves close collaboration with product managers, Agile release trains, and solution management to ensure that teams are consistently working on the most valuable aspects of the Epic. If the Epic is not meeting anticipated results, the Epic owner may pivot, rescope, or in some cases, decommission the Epic to avoid further resource allocation on underperforming initiatives. This ongoing evaluation ensures a high level of accountability and a focus on maximizing return on investment. Large epics introduce a range of risks, from resource limitations to technical dependencies and market changes. The epic owner proactively manages these risks, identifying potential issues and mitigating them to prevent disruptions. For example, they may work with solution architects to resolve technical dependencies or collaborate with Agile release trains to reallocate resources if a critical skill set is in short supply. The Epic owner may also escalate risks that cannot be resolved at the RRT level to the lean portfolio management team, ensuring that issues are addressed at the appropriate level of the organization. This proactive risk management approach enables the Epic owner to maintain momentum and avoid common pitfalls in large-scale projects. An Epic owner's role requires ongoing stakeholder engagement to maintain alignment with changing business priorities and evolving customer needs. Throughout the Epic's lifecycle, the Epic owner regularly updates key stakeholders, including executive leaders, lean portfolio management, Agile release trains, and in some cases, customers, to communicate progress, solicit feedback, and make course corrections as needed. Epic owners often serve as liaisons between strategic leaders and Agile teams, translating high-level goals into actionable, value-driven work for teams to execute. Regular updates and check-ins ensure transparency, allowing the organization to pivot quickly if necessary, and ensuring that all stakeholders have a shared understanding of the Epic's progress and anticipated outcomes. As the Epic nears completion, the Epic owner ensures that the intended outcomes are delivered, documented, and sustainable. They may work with teams to conduct retrospectives, assessing the success of the Epic in terms of the initial hypothesis and identifying lessons learned. This reflection helps the organization refine future Epics and improve processes around strategic initiatives. Additionally, the Epic owner may work with teams to ensure that any knowledge or capability developed during the Epic can be sustained within the organization, such as through documentation, training, or ongoing support. This helps the organization build on the Epic's success and ensures that the benefits are long-lasting. The Epic owner role in SAFE is pivotal to transforming strategic goals into actionable, measurable outcomes. As champions of large-scale initiatives, Epic owners navigate the complexities of cross-functional coordination, ongoing value tracking, and risk management to ensure successful delivery. By shepherding Epics through each phase of the Portfolio Kanban, collaborating with Agile release trains and engaging stakeholders, they ensure that major investments align with organizational priorities and deliver meaningful results. Their work not only realizes strategic visions but also reinforces a culture of agile value delivery, ensuring the organization can adapt, innovate, and respond to changing market needs with agility and purpose. Through their leadership, Epic owners help create a sustainable, responsive organization that maximizes the impact of its strategic initiatives and drives long-term growth.